How to recover. Deleted contacts on iPhone. Lost your vital connections? Let's resurrect them from the digital graveyard. No time for sentimentality, just action. First, your iCloud. This is often where your vanished contacts linger. Navigate to your iPhone's settings, tap your name at the top, then iCloud. Scroll down to Contacts. Is it toggled on? If it is, try toggling it off, then choose Keep on my iPhone if prompted. Wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. Select Merge when asked. This forces a resync with the cloud, potentially pulling back your missing contacts. If that fails, log into iCloud.com on a computer. Go to Account Settings, then scroll to the Advanced section and click Restore Contacts. You'll see a list of archived versions of your contacts. Choose a date before the deletion occurred and click Restore. Understand this replaces your current contact list with the older version. If iCloud yielded nothing, consider your local backups. If you regularly sync your iPhone with a computer using iTunes or Finder, there's a chance. Connect your iPhone. Open iTunes on Windows or Finder on macOS. Select your device. Look for the Backups section. If you see a backup dated before your contacts disappeared, you can attempt a full restore from that backup. Be warned, this will revert your entire phone to that state, erasing any data added since the backup was made. Only proceed if the contacts are truly critical. Still no luck? Check other accounts. Many users sync contacts with Gmail, Outlook, or other email providers. Go to Settings, then Contacts, then Accounts. Tap on each account listed and ensure Contacts is enabled. Sometimes, simply toggling it off and back on for a specific account can refresh the list. If all these direct methods fail, you might be looking at third-party data recovery software. These tools delve deeper into your phone's memory, but they come with risks and often a price tag. Proceed with extreme caution and only use reputable software. This is Learn Mode Lab. You now possess the knowledge to reclaim what was lost. Like this video if it salvaged your connections, and subscribe for more essential digital mastery.